Shut up and sit down.
Right, here is the perfect opportunity to go through the defrosting and de-snowing of your car. First I'm going to open the car. And I'm going to make sure the wiper is off. Put my iPad and my coffee in the car, and I'm going to start the car up whilst I clear all the snow. I'm going full blast on the aircon, rear window, front and heated mirrors all on. Let the air conditioning do its thing whilst I clear the rest of the car. Right. Right, there's the wiper blade. Let's get it out of the way. Hands are freezing. I want to clear as much snow out of the grill as possible. That wiper blade can go back. Temperature's slowly coming off. There is some heat in the car. But that's my procedure for clearing snow and getting the car to a point where you can drive it. It's in Tips and Tricks 50 where I just talked you through it, but this is the actual doing it in practice. I wasn't expecting to have snow so quickly after making that video, but there we go, a bonus video. Thanks for watching a North Wales side-by-side video. Hope you enjoyed what I got up to then.